Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to change Debian Installer screen resolution in uEFI mode. First, we need to go to Grab command line. Press C. Type videoinfo to check which resolutions are supported by your machine. In my case, there is a range of resolutions. The one with the star on the left-hand side is in use. I would like to change my resolution to Full HD. To do so, set the variable gfxmode with our resolution. Excellent. Now, we need to change the terminal output mode to console and then back to gfxterm to refresh our screen. So, type terminal output console and press enter. Again, type terminal output gfxterm and press enter. Alright, we have changed our resolution. Now we are ready to proceed our installation with higher resolution. Thanks for watching.